Hey everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about how you monetize your platform, how to make money off your following. Basically, that's what it means. And yeah, this is the best way to make money from your following actually. And I will show you the pros and cons of of all the ways basically, and yeah, what you can do, how you can monetize them, and basically that's it. So let's start with the first way, which basically probably you know this, and this is affiliate marketing. So yeah, everybody knows what affiliate marketing is. Basically showing your audience a new product actually, which is not yours, rather someone else's. You get a link, an affiliate link, which will be checking your traffic that you bring into your site, or giving you a cookie that will be tracking the people that get your cookie, what they order. Yeah, basically that's affiliate marketing. You are working with brands to promote them if you have an audience, or working with them long term. I wanna, or not long term, but more than one post. This is affiliate marketing, more than one post, and usually this is for a longer time period, for like 5 to 10 posts or something like that. But in affiliate marketing, there are a few ways, or not few ways, few types, and we are going to talk about another type. So this is the first one I'm talking about right now, is the longer form of affiliate marketing, which means that you will be cooperating with a brand that has like for like 2 to 3 months, or even more, for a year, half a year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, and you will be helping them grow, and this will be beneficial for you and for them as well. So this is the best way about affiliate marketing. And let's see the pros and cons. So the pros is it's easy. It's easy to do, uh, and easy to manage for you, easy to take uh, track of, easy to make money with it. Yeah, basically easy to get an affiliate sponsor. Okay, so that's maybe can be counted into the cons as well, because it's not so easy to get an affiliate sponsor, hard to get a good sponsor that pays you well, because yeah, if they not pay you well, then it's fucking nothing to you. So you have to think about that, and yeah, you have to think that you need a brand that is good for you, fits you, like, so you like their stuff, because otherwise you will not make content that is going to be results in a lot of sale. So basically you have to make content that is creative, and yeah, this is the only thing. For cons, that is the biggest, is basically you have to be creative with your content, which is you probably otherwise are, but with affiliate marketing, you have to be for sure. So yeah, basically that's it. So that's it. In terms of cons, it's hard, it's not reliable, it depends on a lot of things. If you are not on a payroll, that's going to be depending on how much traffic you do, how much you post, how much story you put out, all that kind of stuff. But if you do it strategically, it can be the same most of the time, but you cannot control them too much. So it's not a thing that you can control like others. But we will be talking about them. So the next type is the second type of affiliate marketing, actually, is promotions and shutouts. So basically promotions and shutouts are one-time offers, or yeah, you can be working with a brand more than one times, but they usually pay for 1 or 5 times, let's say. And this is a promotion. That means that you just put out one post, and you're not working long term with the brand. You just put out one post that you like this brand and you use it. This usually takes place in smaller influencers, and they get a free product for promoting their brands, which is good for them and good for you, because you get eyeballs and attention. He got or she got a free product. Yeah, basically promotions, pros and cons are basically promotions easy to make, not a long-term commitment, good money actually, and maybe you get a free product. Cons are not too reliable. So the thing is with that is not, it's not reliable. It's nowhere near as reliable as affiliate marketing, because maybe one time you get 5 offers, maybe the next month you get, well, so it will not be as reliable. And yeah, the other flip side of this is, yeah, you maybe just get a free product, which is good, but you didn't get too much further ahead. So yeah, this is the thing. And if you post the, yeah, we're gonna talk about this in the last in the conclusion, because that's a whole another thing that I want to talk about. So the next way of making money is digital product. So probably I made a video about this because digital products, in my opinion, are super good. And the thing with digital products is you can get almost 100% return rate, so profit margins. Because think about it, if you're a fitness trainer and you sell a fitness course or a personal training, or not a personal training, that's not good, you sell a fitness plan, meal plan actually, that's cost you nothing, basically nothing, just your time, yeah, but basically nothing else. If you're selling a workout plan, that costs you nothing, not even your time. Just make one workout plan and you can sell it 100 times that. So yeah, basically that's the thing with digital products. It almost 100% margin. That's the best con about them. It's kind of reliable, or more reliable than affiliate marketing, and you have more control over your product. So you can do discounts, you can do sales, you can do offers, you can enhance the value of your product with other benefits of it. You can give access to people, and that's going to be maybe doubling your product cost price. Or you can do a lot of things to enhance your product, and you have a big control over your digital products. Cons is basically it's take a lot of time, take a lot of effort, and take a lot of knowledge, and can be really scammy. And never fucking scam, guys. Please don't scam people. So with digital products, never ever promise someone something, but you can keep, of course. Because if you can keep that he will lose £100, then yeah, you can promise it. But that's fucking unlikely that you can promise something like that, because you are not a surgeon that can remove 100 pounds of fucking fat from him. So you can't really promise this. Or you can promise that you're gonna grow his business with 100x, because it's not gonna happen. Maybe it's maybe not gonna happen, because you maybe fuck up somewhere. You can't promise this. So yeah, you have to be reasonable and don't scam people, because that's the problem with digital products. Is kind of become really scammy with the courses, with the ebooks. The ebooks are kind of not that, but with the courses, because a lot of general experts start to make courses about that general expertise. So basically, they are making courses about something that they think they know, or maybe they know, but they don't make a good course about it. And they are selling it for a shit ton, and you get scammed. Yeah, so basically, that's the problem with digital products. It can be rebuilding your reputation or destroying your reputation slowly, but I don't worry about it, and you shouldn't be worried about it if you are providing valuable information that is worth the price, basically. Because if you are providing valuable information, that's not going to be happening with you. So yeah, make a good product, and that's all. That's fucking all. So the last two things. So first thing, the fifth thing, I think fuck man, the fifth way of making money from your platform, I'm sorry guys, is subscription service. Any kind of subscription service. Every business can make a subscription service for them. Cons, it's really hard, it's time consuming, it's need to be managed, and yeah, basically that's the cons. Pros, it's really fucking great, reliable source of income, and makes a lot of money for you. Usually people subscribe for a service for 3 to 4 months, so you have to calculate your price according to that, because the acquisition cost maybe cost you $100, but if you are selling thing for $50 and they will subscribe for 3 to 4 months, that's going to be making you $100 extra at top of your acquisition cost. So basically that's a 2x return. It's really easy to calculate customer lifetime value. You have to be thinking about that, as well as you can generate other types of incomes from that subscription service, which we are going to be talking about. But subscription services are great because they can also be pretty profitable. They cannot be 100% because services usually can be 100% because you have to pay someone to manage that much amount of people. You probably can't, but yeah, that's another thing. But subscription service, everybody can make a subscription service for themselves, either subscription service, Facebook group, or anything like that. That's probably not going to be too pricey one, a Facebook group, but at least 100 people sign up with $10 a month. That's going to be making you a lot of money. Yeah, and if you're making a Facebook group with 100 people in it, that are highly engaging and highly knowledgeable, that's going to be a really great community, and they can push and help each other. And by the way, it will make you money as well, as you are helping 100 people. So yeah, basically that's it in terms of subscription service. And I think this is the end goal for all of the personal brands, businesses, and all that kind of stuff. Service providers, is to create your own brand. Yeah, a brand cannot create another brand, or yeah, they can, but they shouldn't. They just focus on their stuff or buying up others, but it's not the thing for now. So creating your brand should be your end goal as a personal brand, as an influencer, because of one thing: the brand can live longer than you. Basically, that's the biggest pro. It's reliable, it can be managed, you have a full control over your product, and it can live longer than you. What that means? That means that if you are fucking stop making content, which I wanted to talk about before, if you stop making content, all this source of income is going to die. If you stop making content, you will not get affiliate offers, you will not get promotions, you cannot sell your digital products, because how the fuck would you sell if you're not advertising it? No how. Yeah. The same for your subscription service. Nobody is going to fucking buy your subscription service if you're not promoting it. That's it. If you're not promoting your subscription service, nobody will buy it, because that's not the way of the thing. But with a brand, you can do it, because if you have other influencer friends and sending them stuff and sending them things, and you're making a great fucking product, then you can later on advertise it and do other stuffs with it. So basically be the brand. it doesn't matter if it's an influencer brand or not an influencer brand. If you are a good entrepreneur and a good business person, you will drag yourself out of your brand as soon as possible. Or not drag yourself out, because that's not a good, it's a poor choice of word. Not drag yourself out, but you won't be the face of your business, because that's going to be detrimental to your business as well. Because if you are the face of the business, then when you stop making content and not advertising your business on your social media, it's gonna die. This is the thing about digital products. Yeah, you can advertise your digital products, but who is going to buy a digital product from a dead influencer? Or not dead, but you know, an influencer who is not creating any content anymore, and yeah, that face is put into every fucking okay, so think about that. That's the biggest pro about it. It will live longer than you. The cons is it's pretty hard, pretty risky. It requires a lot of talent, a lot of skill, and a lot of things to make sure that you are doing it great. And of course, high capital and a lot of money to start. That's it. And you have to hire a team or do it for yourself. It's your choice, but I would hire a good team. If you don't have the skills and if you don't want to develop them, but later on, if you want to be a successful business people and a big brand, then you have to develop it, because you cannot control a company if you didn't know anything. You did not know anything about the things that are going on in your company, and cannot be a part of your company basically, because you are not knowing anything about marketing, about etc. Okay, so that's it with your brand. And this is the thing I wanted to say is, if you stop making content, all this source of income will die. So you have to make sure that as soon as you can, you create a brand that can live longer than you, because after you start making content, let's say 40 years old, you are sick of making fucking content. You make it for 20 years and you are sick of it, and you don't have ideas, and the algo not pick you up. This can be happen as well. The algo not pick you up anymore. They not promoting your stuff. The social media platforms that you were on dies, and you cannot transfer it because you did not see the opportunity to transfer it, because you was too blind. You said that it's going to be always there. No, it's not. Every platform will die if they are not improving, like, you know what, they are dead. They are fucking dead, and yeah, just pay traffic goes in there. No man's land. And actually, yeah, so that's it. So if you stop making content, it's not gonna work. So you have to start building your brand and moving yourself out of it, or your face of it, as soon as possible. Yeah. And sorry guys, the last thing I wanted to mention is that you should follow the 80-20 rule most of the time with advertisement, because that's a good rule to follow. Because if you want to sell too much and want to sell on every post, every story, that's not gonna work, because nobody wanna follow a guy or a girl who is just on a just advertising platform basically. So don't fucking sell it on every piece of content you put out. So yeah, the 80-20 rule is really great. 80% of the content should be valuable information, and 20% can be sales. Yeah, so probably, yeah, this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it informative, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day, guys.